So I chose my matching Gui Lab and run the driver. I have to run it again. It comes up with the NBA basketball players that you have to match with their team. Let me bring it up more so it's easier to see. So basically, if I click on Steph Curry, I have to click on the Golden State to make it say correct, but if I click on the Lakers or the Celtics, it keeps saying wrong unless I click on correct. If I click LeBron, I have to click Lakers, or yeah, I have to click Lakers. Dwayne Wade, the Heat, but if I click something else, it'll say wrong. Kyrie Irving, Celtics, and Kawhi Leonard, the Raptors. If I click something else, it'll say wrong. I have an audio clip, but my speaker's not really working, and it costs money to hear computer audio. And the way I did it was I made 5 J buttons for the players and 5 J buttons for the teams. I have 3 panels, one for the top buttons, one for the lower buttons, and one for the center label. And I have 10 pictures for the 5 players and the 5 team logos. Then I have the audio clips to play whether you got it right or wrong. Well, I instantiated the images and then I made them set to the corresponding players or logo. And if I go to the listeners, you have to see if it's correct. If you click on the top one, it changes the choice value. And if you click on the bottom one, it checks if the choice value is the same. And if it is, then it plays the good music and it says correct. But if it doesn't, then it says wrong and it plays the bad music. So that's basically it.